the 6 laws of surds in 114 seconds. Let's go. Let's have a look at the 6 laws of surds, guys. What are they going to be? First off, whenever we multiply one surd by another surd, we're going to multiply the number outside by the number outside and the number inside by the number inside. In this case, on the outside, we're going to have 2 times by 4, which is 8. And on the inside, we're going to have 3 times by 5, which is 15. What about the second one then, guys, which is dividing one surd by another? What are we going to do? Very similar to multiplying. We're going to divide the number outside by the number outside and the number inside by the number inside. Let's get it done. On the outside, we're going to have 6 divided by 2. That is going to be 3. And on the inside, we're going to have 14 divided by 2. That is going to be 7, giving us our answer of 3 root 7. Next up, what do we do when we add one surd to another surd and crucially we have the same number inside the surd? What we're going to do is we're going to simply add the numbers on the outside and leave the number on the inside. In this case, 3 lots of root 5 plus 4 lots of root 5, that's going to be 7 lots of root 5. What about this next example then? Law number 4, where we're again adding 2 surds, but this time we have a different number on the inside. In the first one, we have a 3, and in the second one, we have a 5. Guys, in this case, there is absolutely nothing we can do to simplify. So I'm going to put a cross there. We cannot simplify 2 root 3 plus 4 root 5 because they have different numbers on the inside of the surd. What about number 5 then, which involves taking the square root of a fraction? What we're going to do is we're going to separate this, taking the square root of the numerator and the square root of the denominator separately. The square root of 9 we know is going to be 3, and the square root of 16, guys, we know that's going to be 4, so we can write this as 3 over 4. And finally, what would we do if we have a surd in brackets added to a regular number and we square that? What we have to remember, guys, is to multiply the whole bracket by the whole bracket. So in this case, we're going to have 2 plus root 3 times by 2 plus root 3. We're going to have to expand these double brackets using FOIL and then simplify our answer, which, guys, if we did, would give us 7 plus 4 root 3. See if you can prove why that is.